So we need to make an adjustment?
They might, because look, these pieces are at a fixed angle because of these brackets.
Right now we're in the engineering lab that's adjacent to the classroom, and these students are part of our SkillsUSA club, and what they're doing is working on a project for WaterStep.
We've been commissioned by WaterStep to build 3 of these carts made of like metal pipe and wood, and they're meant for hanging utilities and whatnot.
WaterStep has their manufacturing facility down in Old Louisville, and they came to visit us over the winter break, and they saw one of our tool caddies here and asked if we could build 3 of them for them.
It's a great opportunity for us to learn and improve on our engineering skills, and hopefully can help us in the future with engineering.
It's pretty awesome because they're like really hands-on stuff. They make their own like carts for second, third world countries for water and whatnot, and we got to go there and actually see a bunch of those carts.
The idea is, can the students here at Doss who are in this program do something tangible for one of the organizations in the city? How long is it?
11 inches.
Okay, it was 14. Is this one still 14? When I first brought the idea, there were a couple of kids in particular who were just chomping at the bit. You know, it's like you had to almost kind of rein them in. They were running so fast. And then they wanted to come in before school and during their lunch period and after school. I had to run them out of here sometimes.
I feel it's very rewarding. It's like a big opportunity for us that we can show them that we are high school students and we can do the same thing that these adults can do.
It's great to be able to work with them and have them commission us and let us do stuff with them.
I remember that feeling that I had when I had my first thing that I made. And these kids, you know, in a smaller way or whatever, they can have the same feeling too. We can grow this to a place with WaterStep where we become a regular part of what they do. And so this is a very initial start with a company that is doing great work already. And we just want to show them what we can do.